What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? My name is the J Jordan. Today is May the 26th of May, and I'm about to give you an update on all the videos that I have so far have watched to help people with their watch hours. We're just going to start off from the top. We have Miss Queen Sunkiss, Lynn Life Lesson. I would say them over again if I have to. I got her on there multiple times. I have Be the Different Clothing. Got her on here. Hashtag Bomb. Odom Homestead. Mona Did What? Trending Live TV. Panama City. Let's help her get her 50 so she could come back over here on YouTube and do some lives again. So we just got to get her to 50, y'all. Panama City. We have Chris Lopez Fitness. Everybody I'm naming, I will put in the description so you can see who they're talking about. And I will do it in the order that I'm calling them out. Dead Timor Harmony. Growing What I Eat. Lynn Life Lesson. Hashtag Bomb. Loving Me Tracy Anderson. Young Riaz, a.k.a. Drip King. Let's keep going. DT Hope, 23 TV. RX Nails. Rooted in Essential Oils. Designed with Ema. Piragra. Sassy. Official Jamia. Wellness with Frugal Mama. Make sure y'all go show them some love as well, please. I definitely appreciate it. We got Official Jamia. We have Butter Roll Boutique. That's what I'm talking about. We over here putting in some work today. Let's get this thing higher. I'm tired of holding the thing. We have Shifting Some Soil and more. We have Lion's Pride. Let's Walk and Talk. You know, she have more. Let's go. We have David Coy with the crop. Make sure y'all go show him some love. You know what I mean? We got Lynn Life Lesson, Patty Kitchen Garden and more, Dead Timor Harmony, Rising Phoenix, I Bring It Every Day, Stretch and Pete, Boss Lady Denise. We are going down the list, y'all. We got Don't Hurt the Harvest, Rob Allbank, Lions Pride, Let's Walk and Talk, Miss Queen Sunkiss, Piragra, Cabernet Garden, Piss Life is in the building. Just Piss Life, though. We have Fatima Shahida Abdullah. Go show her some love because she's over there in Africa showing you how to get them houses built and stuff. And she over there fishing and working out. Chris Lopez Fitness, Patty Kitchen Garden and more, Miss Queen Sunkiss, and Eric LaPointe. That is the list for today. Out of all of them, it's a total of 52. And I will redo it after this one. So thank you everybody for stopping by. Make sure y'all go show them some love and some support. And you know how we gotta do it. I'm gonna show y'all my face. Hey, we in this piece. So now that we got that out the way, show some love. Let's go like, comment, subscribe to the people, show them some love, help them with their watch hours. Because a lot of people need help with watch hours. So this is just a little part so we can help them out. So with that being said, remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Y'all take care.